walk over here or here?
Let me reassess.
A Mac.
Dakota is looking intently. Yeah, we
Yeah, we were
kind
driving
of saw.
up and it was pretty crazy. You guys walking.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that smells good, Mom.
Oh, try this, sweetie.
That gyoza? Yeah. Oh, how's the mystery?
Well, there was a trio combo plate here, but not anymore.
It's gone.
You're so happy.
Big jumps.
He's half dressed, by the way.
Yeah, I think that. There was something.
He's gonna...
Hello! So basically at the Honolulu Cookie Company, they had these cards that you basically fill out, and every $5 that you spend, you get a stamp. And then if you get up to, I think it was 10 stamps, you get a free small gift, or you can wait and collect up to 20 stamps, and if you collect the 20, then you get a big gift. Anyway, I didn't really know the big gift part, but she was just like, oh, you can redeem a small gift. I'm like, okay, sure. What it is it's a 5 count of the cookie box. Before I devour it, because I was gonna talk about the main ones I bought when we get home, when I do my whole haul and everything. But we're probably gonna eat these here because I can't really fit it in my luggage. So I think this one I got was the white chocolate dipped macadamia. I also got the limited edition lemon. I got the guava, which I did try already. I think Dad got it. I thought I'd get it again because it was good. This is the pineapple macadamia. This one, I think it's the white chocolate coconut. This one. These look exactly the same. They also had matcha dipped ones, but I didn't try those. And then inside, it has a little card. And then this little Honolulu Cookie Company. Oh my gosh, they had it here, didn't they? A little pamphlet of all the flavors and nutrition facts. I didn't get to try the dark chocolate coconut. I completely freaking glazed over that, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try them now. This one is either the white chocolate coconut or the white chocolate dipped macadamia nut. I think this is the white chocolate dipped macadamia. Very good. Okay, so this is the limited edition lemon one. I like the lemon one. Guava, I'll take a teeny bite because I kind of had this earlier. It's so cool having a guava cookie. And this is the pineapple macadamia. Oh, that one's really good. And so this one is this one's gotta be the white chocolate coconut. It could be the white chocolate lemon. Oh, it's the white chocolate lemon. Yeah. Yep. That is good. This is also a seasonal flavor. Okay, so I'll have everyone else try that later. What's this one? The ahi roll?
Yeah, spicy. Apparently, this is their shit. Well,
I never wanted that one.
is it? Yeah.
Who is that? Oh, he's eating me.
How'd you see that?
It's dripping. I'm dripping wet. are gonna want to take anywhere. Mom's gonna want to take some free stuff. Oh, these showers are big. There's like a seating thing too.
I like the robes.
Are you gonna pee? Okay. Last words. It's nice today, of course, all days. Say bye. Bye, Four Seasons. My first resort. Okay. Leaving. Where's Mom?
Leaving paradise.
Spaghetti. Mine is jelly spaghetti. Mom. Oh, they got the shot.
Did you just pee?
Hello. No, I don't like that intro. Hi, I'm drinking water. It was a high of 105 today. And I'm currently eating because I can. I had the best time of my life. So let's get started. Okay, so first I wanted to go over all my tote bags. So the first one I'll show is this one I got from Monkey Pod. It's square bottom. It did smell weird. I think it just kind of aired out. I got this from Monkey Pod for 15 bucks. And the second one I got this one. This one's pretty huge. I got it from Ululani's. This was 20 bucks. It's cute because it has a little Hawaiian island there. It's also pretty wide. Next one, I technically didn't buy this bag per se. When I got cookies from the Honolulu Cookie Company, hold on a minute, all my stuff came in here. So the next one I got was this. I got it from Target when we first got there. It doesn't say Target on it or anything. So these ones I got 2 for 7 bucks at either the ABC store or Gourmet. I think it was there. This Gudetama one. And then it says Hawaii at the bottom too. Oops. It says exclusive at the ABC store, but they had it at the Gourmet place. I think the Gourmet place is partnered with ABC or something. I'm telling you, I don't think I got it at the ABC store. So cute. I don't think this says anything. Sides just have cute little rainbow It's funny because she's tan in the tag, but then like on the bag she's not tan. And then the last one I got was from Foodland. This was $7. It looks like a paper bag, but it's like reusable and also washable. I didn't know that they had different prints. They all have the same kind of color scheme, so I thought they were all the same. And then I like that it just says Foodland on the corner. So that's it for my tote bags. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to show is my clothing merchandise. I got this short sleeve t-shirt from Leota's. It's kind of wrinkly because it was in my luggage. So it says Leota's there. I think I got a medium. What does it say? Oh yeah, I got a medium, and the shirt is super soft. And then I got this shirt, or this long sleeve from Haleakala. So it just says Haleakala National Park on the front, and then I think it says something down here too. It's also wrinkly because it was in my luggage, and then it just says it again on the back. The last thing that I got was this super soft sweater. I got this from the ABC store that just says Maui. And then on the back shoulder, it's got all the islands. It was two for $60, I think. And honestly, maybe I should have gotten two because these are so soft. They're the best. I also got a couple other souvenirs from the ABC store. I got this for myself. She's a little tanned Hello Kitty, and it says Hawaii right here, and she's wearing like a two-piece, or I think it's just like the dress. I can't tell. And she can stand up too because the bottoms of her feet are like flat, so yeah. Sean actually got me these. I got this with oh my goodness, Hello Kitty on it, and then there's also this one with Gudetama. For me and my friends, I got these tiki shot glasses because I thought it was funny and cute. I wanted to show you what I got from the Honolulu Cookie Company. I got this bag of chocolate chip cookies. I got it for Pam. I don't know, I figured she would appreciate these, I think. Then I got this for myself, mainly honestly just for the tin can, and it says it has 4 premium shortbread cookies. Here's the pineapple, the dipped chocolate, the triple dark chocolate. I should eat these first. And then the chocolate chips. I'm gonna put my stickers in here, my journaling stickers. And then I got a 10-pack of cookies. You get to choose them. This is what I got. I got like doubles because like I knew I would like these. So I also wanted to show the sticker that I got from the Maui Ocean Center. I thought it was cute. So I got the stamp with the date. Okay, so the last thing that I wanted to share is stuff that I got from Four Seasons store that was in the lower lobby. But this is what it looks like. And it's like that really like thick like canvas material. The first thing I got from there was this really cute Four Seasons mug. And I thought the shape was kind of cool too. Alex and I both got this one. I got the blue one just so we're not getting the same thing. But we got this, it's by SandCloud, and it says Four Seasons Resort right here. Open it and I'll show you guys. Okay, please take a look. Holds it upside down. Cute. What a purchase.